How to monetize Facebook page and make money. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Facebook application and then open it. Now log in to your Facebook page and then go to the menu bar. After that, go to professional dashboard. Tap and explore on your own. Now in this top navigation bar, go to monetization. And here you should find if you are eligible or not. As you can see, I am not yet eligible for monetizing my account, but if you are eligible, you will be able to do some partnership ads and then get money from it. You can also enable stars, and then um, you will be getting money from your fans. You can also send ads on your reels, and also you will get bonuses from Facebook for your well performing and eligible content. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.